Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your TS300 to Wi-Fi. First, ensure your device is fully charged and powered on. Then, navigate to the settings menu on your TS300 and look for the Wi-Fi or network connection option. Have your Wi-Fi network name and password handy, as you will need them shortly to complete the setup process smoothly. This initial preparation saves time. Once you see the list of available networks, select your specific Wi-Fi network. Be careful to choose the correct one. Next, you will be prompted to enter your Wi-Fi password. Use the on-screen keyboard to type it in precisely. It is crucial to double-check your password for any typos before proceeding to the next step. After entering your password, your TS300 will attempt to connect. Look for a confirmation message or an indicator on the screen showing a successful connection. If it fails, do not worry. A simple restart of both your TS300 and your Wi-Fi router can often resolve minor issues. For persistent problems, consult your device's manual. Congratulations! Your TS300 is now successfully connected to Wi-Fi. You can now enjoy all the online features, stream content, and receive important software updates directly on your device. Take some time to explore everything your newly connected TS300 has to offer. Remember to check the description below for links to other great deals and to find out more about the Owala water bottle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.